All right, what's up everyone? I'm super excited for this video because, well, you'll just have to see. Let's get into it. All right, so if you watch any of my videos, you see that I cook on two different things, a flat top or a Coleman grill. And normally I cook on just a, you know, the normal propane grill. But a really good friend of mine gave me a white fuel Coleman grill, and I am super excited about using this thing. I'm so excited about it. You gotta love vintage camping gear, and that's what it's all about. So let's open this box, which it has been opened. It's been used, but let's get into it. So this is the normal grill that we always use. You've seen this a million times over, so we're not gonna get too far into that. What we are gonna get into is this. This is the 425F 499 white fuel. Okay, so it only takes like the Coleman white fuel. It doesn't take the dual fuel, like I think one of them tastes like gas, but this is that one. So let's get right into it. This is the original box it came in. Again, thank you, Officer Nat. I guess I'm not supposed to, well, anyway, yeah, it'll be okay. Officer Nat for sure. It's a hard habit to break. And there she is in all of her glory. So to give you a comparison of this compared to the other one, I mean, it's quite a bit shorter as far as like the depth of it. A little bit longer, but not near as cool for sure. Alrighty, I'm so excited. All right, so let's get this thing open. I'm gonna turn it around for you guys. If you've never seen one of these, they have a fuel tank on front of them. Oh man, so cool. I'm sure a lot of people have seen these. I honestly will admit that I was not aware that something like this actually existed, and I'm so happy that I found out about this stuff. And then of course I can't thank Nat enough for allowing me to have this this piece of history. This is so cool. So if you don't know, these are your burners here, and this is your fuel tank, and your fuel tank just comes out, whoop, like so, and then your atomizer goes in here, and there's two slots on the front. They just slide into, and it just sits in, and that's pretty much how this thing is set up. You fill it up with white fuel. You control pretty much your flame and everything like that from here, your flow, all that from here, and you have to pump it. So I'll move it down for you guys. All right, right here, that's your pump. If you don't know that, you pump it up, pressurize the tank, it shoots the fuel into the atomizer, and then you get it going, and the heat from the flame then, you know, turns it into a vapor, turns it into a gas, and that's what regulates all of this. So super cool piece of Coleman history, piece of camping history, and it just looks awesome. I don't know about you, but this just looks way cooler than your typical Coleman propane. And don't get me wrong, it's probably a million times easier to use the Coleman propane than it is to use this, but there's just something about this that just makes me go, wow, this is awesome. So what we're going to be doing, we're not going to restore it, okay? We're not restoring it or anything like that, but there is an issue with it. This valve here is stuck, and the knob is broken, so when you twist it, it just spins. So we will be repairing this at some point in the near future and getting it back to working, hopefully before our trip in October. and we'll use this out there on some of our trips. Super excited to use this. I really just wanted to share this video with you guys, mainly to kind of show you the new thing that we got, but also give the massive amount of appreciation that I have for Nap and him trusting me enough to give me something that, you know, that is cool to him and obviously really cool to me. So we're going to be getting this fixed in a different video, not in this one, because I have to you know, kind of get this knob and all that stuff, and so I'm still trying to find one that works for this. I was trying to go without ordering one, but it looks like I'm going to have to order a special order one, but that's okay because the rest of this works and it's so cool. So in the next video we'll have it fixed, we'll be fixing it, and we'll have it powered on. I say powered on, but we'll have it started for you and lit for you and going. So we'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe and stay normal.